anticipated 5th Village People Choice Awards is here to recognize the voice of the people.
That is right, JD. Tonight is truly the moment that we're going to be unveiling the 5th VPCA winners.
Not gonna stop until I end this. I'm coming back with the vengeance. I'm coming back with the vengeance.
Of course, special mention to my love team, si Alexa Ilacad, my partner. Thank you so much. I hope I made you proud.
Before anything else, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for including me in the list of nominees, and of course, to the panel of judges who voted for me.
Maraming pong salamat sa award na ito. Sabi ko nga, sa tuwing nare-recognize yung ginagawa namin mga artista at tayo din, nakakataba ng puso. Kaya siguro itong recognition na ito, isang inspirasyon hindi lang po sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat na patuloy tayo gumawa ng mga magagandang pelikula, magandang content. Kasi doon tayo sa magpapasaya sa iba, magpapasaya sa sarili natin, at higit sa lahat, para sa taas, maging inspirasyon tayo para sa ibang tao. Salamat.
And of course, tonight we are delighted to introduce the people behind Dialysis PH, headed by Mr. Reynaldo Abacan Jr.
Ang aming pong samahan ay samahan po ng mga dialysis patient at kidney transplant patient. So ang advocacy po namin ay ang lahat po ay tungkol sa chronic kidney disease at organ donation.
Not gonna stop until I end this. I'm coming back with the vengeance.
Especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. I would like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups and a Romance, si Julia Montes.
Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi first time ko yung mga ganong eksena, tapos ang daming magagaling, nakita nyo naman, and ang daming pasabog.
The VP Choice Award began as a personal passion of mine in the Red Entertainment. Inspired my admiration for international award-giving bodies. I envisioned VPCA as a prestigious event where luminaries from various industries, from travel, lifestyle, technology, business, and entertainment, of course, could come together and celebrate their achievement and interact in a spirit of camaraderie.
Not gonna stop until I end this. I'm coming back with the vengeance.
Ako si John Lucas at wow! First time po, after 11 years, ngayon lang tayo nakatanggap ng ganitong parangal.
Akala ko my life was a mess. And then things like this happen and I get reminded na maybe I'm in the right path.
Beauty Influencer of the Year, and I'm so thankful. Lalo na po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Especially my fiancé, Haji Alejandro.
To my brilliant family at sa lahat ng friends ko na naniniwala sa akin, sa lahat ng supporters ng Brilliant, maraming salamat po at talagang tunay na pinakamakinang ang taong 2024.
So, nung binigyan po ako ng pagkakataon maging isang kauna-unahang transgender woman news anchor sa bansa, ito po ay talagang tinuring ko na malaking responsibilidad.
Ayan, thank you everybody sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, sa lahat po ng judges. Maraming salamat po, Village People Choice Awards.
I promise to continue to inspire people and to continue to fight against the stigma against stereotyping, gender norms, and toxic masculinity.
Nung nagsimula po ang maging isang content creator, nabago po ang buhay ko. Isang karangalan na po ang manominate. And I'm so thankful po na ako po ang inyo pong napili bilang TikTok Female Face. Wow! Female Face of the Year.